Freezer is continually frosting up. It's a Viking. Just need to know parts that I need to order to replace. Model is VCBB363 RSS. Looking for the part numbers and what needs to be replaced.
Hello, thanks for letting us answer your questions. We appreciate your business. You need to test to see if the fridge will go into a forced defrost mode. Follow these instructions. Defrost can be forced to start by pressing and holding the alarm off pad for 3 seconds. The fridge should shut off when you do this. If the defrost heater circuit is working, you should see it defrosting on the back panel inside the freezer. Check this out and tell me if the fridge goes into the defrost cycle.
Beeps 3 times but everything keeps running. Does not make a manual defrost start. LMK.
Try this one. Press display on pad to activate control panel. 2. Simultaneously press and hold max ref and display off pads for 3 seconds.
Just tried this. It does shut off the fridge. But I am still not getting the defrost to start in the freezer.
Okay, if the fridge turn off then it should be going into defrost. You need to remove the back panel of the freezer to gain access to the defrost heater and thermostat. If the fridge has started back up since the time you set the control, you will need to do the procedure again to test the heater. There are 3 parts to the defrost system: the control board, the heater and the terminator thermostat. Once you put it into defrost again, you will need to get a voltmeter and check to see if you have power across the heater wires. If you do and it does not heat, the heater is bad. If you have no power at the heater, the next is to test across the terminator. If you have 120V across the wires, then the terminator is bad. If you no power at all, then the control is bad.
I'll get it apart tomorrow and let you know what I find.
Okay.
Sorry, got a multimeter instead of a voltmeter, which unfortunately I don't know how to use. There are 2 leads into the defrost heater. Do I disconnect both to make a complete circuit or can I just test one? I'll get a voltmeter today. The item marked A was disconnected. What is this?
Multimeter is the same thing. You connect the leads to the 2 wires feeding the heater. You can just squeeze the probes in beside the wires on the plugs.
Now the defrost heater is turning on, but when I tried it yesterday and felt it was not hot. Today it is. Where is the terminator thermostat?
If the heater is turning on, the thermostat is working, otherwise the heater would not heat. It sounds like you have a problem with the computer board.
Can you give me a part number for the computer board? Where is it located? Is it easy to change? What's the thing in the picture? LMK.
The thermostat.
And where is the computer board?
The computer board is located usually up by the control panel. I don't have a current parts lookup on your model. You can contact the people at this link and get a cost and possibly a little more info on the location. http://www.vikingparts.com/ Click equals 2 and gclit equals cmdtqs v7 mcfc5 seam gods 3 kayak.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.